Namaste. Now let us discuss the importance of a website for e-commerce. You know that most consumers are looking online for information that will help them make smarter purchasing decisions. In fact, according to the e-commerce foundation, 88% of consumers will research product information before they make a purchase online or in the store. Without that information, they don't go for buying. This buying behavior trend emphasizes the importance of a website for today's business. That's why website is very important for the business. You just will see, if you want your company to be successful in the modern marketplace, you have got to have a professional website. Your website is the backbone of your business, supporting all of your digital marketing efforts. Now we'll see the importance of website for the success of business. The importance of website for marketing extends to every aspect of your digital marketing strategy. As the backbone of your online presence, every type of communication, piece of content, or advertisement that you put online will drive the consumers back to your website. As such, it is important that your website gives consumers a clear idea of what your brand is about and what types of products or services you offer. Now, let us start with your personal, your social media marketing. Now, let us see. Though you use third-party social media sites to reach and engage with consumers, you have to have a place to send consumers to when they want to learn more about your business. Similar to our social media post, we have to tell our consumers we are on SEO company. But if they don't know what SEO is, then they can learn more by following the link to a blog post about SEO. So, how they can learn from the websites? Your website serves as the home base for the products or services what you are going to offer. Where you can send your customers when they want to make a purchase or learn from about a particular product or services you offer. The importance of website for content marketing is also significant. Content in the sense about the description about the product or services, it is very significant, it is very important also. Without that you cannot sell of your product. Your content needs a place to live. There- Yes, content is to be displayed. Obviously, there is a need of place. Yes. Whether it is a blog post or a product description, you need a place to display that information so that prospective customers can find it. Your website is the perfect place to house all of the great content your business creates to inform and engage your target audience. Just like the blog post, you are reading right from the beginning about the product with more information as it is your own website. Your website also plays an important role in your email marketing. If you are using email marketing to reach and engage your customers, then you need somewhere to send them to convert. Your website is the perfect place to guide your email subscribers to when you want them to learn more about a product or even make a purchase. You could do this in your weekly newsletter or a monthly newsletter, whatever, it depends on the requirement or even the product, nature of product. So every time the business sent. their subscribers more information on their services so they can learn more about what the business do. They do this by clicking the links to the website. So if you want to have advertisement, because advertising is a great way to reach more of the consumers who are most likely to be interested in your products, in the business product. But you need to have a website that you can lead these consumers to when they click on your website. Whether it is tailored landing page or a specific product page, the ad has to have a destination in your website. Your advertisement can also have multiple destinations to provide even more information and cover more areas for what the users might be looking for when they type in the search. The ultimate goal of your website is to answer all users' questions or queries with the information that the business is going to provide. The importance of a website for search and SEO, search engine optimization lays in the way that this marketing tactic works when consumers use the search engine to research products, services, brands, or even challenges. The search engine delivers a list of web pages relevant to these topics. So, if you want to bring some of this online traffic to your own business, you need a website to drive that traffic back to. The more optimized this site is for search engine like Google. Google, all of you do through Google search. The more chances you have to reach new consumers because most of the people use Google search or sometimes even Yahoo also use, but very popular is Google search. Now let us see what are the different areas where very much there is a need of websites. Now let us see importance of a website for sales. For sales, how a website is important. Sales are vital to every business. Without sale, we cannot imagine the business. It's the only way that you can keep your company up and running. And improving sales is the best way to improve the health and success of your business. The importance of a website for sales cannot be overstated. By having an online presence through your website, you are able to reach more consumers. The more consumers you reach online, the more opportunity you have to make a sales. Developing a website doesn't automatically bring paying customers to your business. However, through search engine optimization of your website, you can improve your chances of bringing in more qualified leads who are more likely to make a purchase. Not only does a website help you increase your sales opportunities, but it also increases your availability to make sales. With a website, you can sell your products and services around the clock, that is 24 hours. You don't have to be actively engaged with all these hours with leads on a constant basis because they are able to get the information they need from your website. Additionally, your website offers another channel for sales also. In addition to selling your products and services online, you can provide consumers with the information they need to make an informed purchasing decision. Effectively, the content that's on your site serves as an additional salesperson. Okay, contents here, when content is put in the website, it works like a salesperson. It convinces, it makes them to purchase, it somewhat encourages, motivates the consumers to buy. So, helping customers to get the information they need and convincing them of the benefits of the products or services. Now, next one we will see the importance in building credibility with a website. The importance of a website for building credibility is also something that brands need to consider. In today's digital marketplace, businesses without a website are seen as less credible. The reason for this is because most companies have a website. So those that don't may look like they have something to hide. How does a website help you build credibility? Well, it allows consumers to see what your brand is all about. In addition to showcasing your products and services, you can also tell consumers about your company and its mission. By helping consumers get to know about your business, you are working to establish trust, which is the first step in building long lasting customer relationship. Use your website to establish authority when it comes to finding a reputable businesses. Consumers want to know where brand stands in the industry. The content that you create and publish to your website helps show consumers that you know your stuff. By providing valuable and educational content, you can work to build a stronger relationship with the consumers and encourage overseers. Not only does your website give you an opportunity to build credibility and authority, but it also helps you to set yourself apart from the competition. Right? Each company's website content is unique. That means that you have the opportunity to show leads and customers what sets your business apart from the rest through customized content. You want to stay ahead of your competition. If they have a website and you don't, then you immediately just lost a customer, determining which business they wanted to use. Now, next importance we'll see providing accessibility around the clock. We touched on this when discussing the importance of website little bit earlier in the post. You've seen that already we use it, but it's worth emphasizing again. A website provides accessibility to your target audience around the clock, even when you and your team have checked out for the day. Your website is still working hard to bring more customers to your business. Imagine how many more sales you could make if you never slept. Well, luckily, you don't have to give up sleep to reach your customers 24 hours in 7 days. With a website, you provide a place for your consumers to see that your brand is about and learn more about your products and services any time of the day or night. If you make your products available for sale on your website, then consumers can even make purchase around the clock. By making it easy for consumers to browse and buy more products online, you are making it as convenient as possible for leads to convert to customers. And the best part is you don't physically have to be there to still reap the benefits of the same. Your website serves as your own personal digital salesperson. Your site gives the consumer that they need to know about the product, makes the sale, and collects their payment information online. Imagine this scenario. Just imagine. For instance, you are looking for an elliptical bike to buy. You want to buy a bike. Which of the two would you have to prepare? Driving around searching for a local store that sells these bikes or sitting on your sofa at home shopping for this bike online. Obviously, most people prefer the latter. That's exactly why smart business owners build their own website to showcase what they can offer to customers. Okay, now let us see one more importance. It is highlighted. Make the right first impression with the professional web design. What is this? Your website is often your customer's first impression of your brand. Even if you are a brick and mortar business that depends on local foot traffic, there's a good chance that your customers are researching your business online before they come in. That's why it's vital that you have a professional website. You should have that. The importance of a website cannot be overstated. But if this website is unattractive or hard to navigate, then you may be turning your customers away without even knowing it. In fact, a survey from Business to Community shows that 94% of people stated that web design is the top reason that they mistrust of or reject a website. You can see professional web design should include the some of the very important elements. Those elements we'll see. Professional web design should include some of the elements here. It is we just will discuss. First one, it should be a simple navigation. It shouldn't be hard for you visitors to find what they are looking for on your site without clicking around the several times. Navigation menus should be clear and simple, helping visitors find what they are looking for in just a few moments. There should be attractive design. Attractive design in the sense your site should be attractive using colors and images that align with your brand while also being pleasing to the eye. Pleasing to the eye it should be. A professional site has a balance between attractive design and content that is easy to read and quick to load. They should be helpful. That's why it's called helpful content. The content on your site should be informative and help visitors better understand your products and services. It also needs to emphasize relevant keywords that your consumers might use to find brands like yours online. Then, next we'll see. Now we'll see search engine optimization. Your site structure and content both need to be optimized for search engines like Google. Professional site design includes SEO services that ensure consumers can find your site online. What are there? What are already added there in the search engine optimization? Faster site load times. In your site doesn't load within a few seconds. If your site doesn't load within a few seconds, visitors may be inclined to leave. Professional website design will ensure quick load times to improve the user experience. Then easy conversation, it is also possible. So your website should make it easy for visitors to convert with a quick and simple checkout process. Your shopping cart should also be easy for consumers to use and come back to if they click away from your page. If you don't have the resources in house to design and maintain professional working website, then you may need to get help from a design agency. The importance of website to the business is very clear now. Without website, we cannot reach and engage our target customers online. Even if you have a brick and mortar business that serves mostly local customers, your business can still benefit from a website. In fact, we do venture to say that if you want to do business in today's modern marketplace, you need to have a website. But where do you to start? Getting started with a professional website for your business doesn't have to be hard. It's not so hard. There are a variety of website building services that you can use to design your own attractive website in just a few hours. Drag and drop website building services like Squarespace and Wix are easy to use and affordable. if you have some web design knowledge, you can also use WordPress, which is free to get started. However, if you are serious about launching a professional website and optimizing your site for a search engines, then you may want to work with professional web design agency. Though working with the web design professional does require an upfront investments. You will need, you will find that the money you spend on professional web design services is well worth it. For one, a web design agency knows what it takes to design a site that offers a positive user experience. It can create clean and simple navigation that makes it easy for your site visitors to find the content they are looking for, and even easier for them to make a purchase once they have found what they need. A web design agency can also use it to create web page content that is optimized for the search engines. SEO website content will make it easy for the target consumers to find when they look for relevant topics and product on search engines like Google. So that's all what I have studied about the importance of websites for online sales, online marketing, etc. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see other things in the next.